Hi guys, I'm starting a new project. Yeah, a project for a playful contact with children, with a puppet. And not everybody has a puppet, of course, so we're gonna create one. And the thing we are gonna use for that is a simple sock. But I have to buy one because I live on Bonaire. So I'm downtown Kralendijk now. Downtown Kralendijk to shop for socks. I've got them. A blue pair with flamingos, and this one is the one with a pink nose. Yeah, 2 pair Bonairean, real Bonairean socks and I can make 4 puppets of them. How cool is that? Yeah, for just $16 I have 4 puppets. Here they are, the real Bonairean socks. And socks aren't puppets yet, so I'm gonna create 2 different puppets from these 2 different socks. And with this one, I want to create a diva, because Bonaire divas, it's quite a good match, and that's why I used also laces in the ingredients. So this is what I used: a sock, laces, needle and thread, white circles and black circles, smaller black circles as fabric for the eyes, and a hair bow. I take you with me in the making process. This one took me an hour to make, and mostly because of the lashes. The lashes were quite difficult to handle, but yeah, I wanted a Bonarian diva, so I took it for granted. And now I'm gonna create a simpler one, and for that I use a sock again, 3 beads, a needle and thread, and a Sharpie. And I'm gonna show you how I created that one too. this one took me half an hour, so that's half of the diva. So in half an hour you can create quite a nice sock puppet body. But when this one was ready, something happened. I really liked the eyes, the wiggling things of the beads for the eyes. So take a look what happened next. So here they are, meat, bow, and Dushi, the Bonarian diva. With just 2 socks, as you can see, it are still socks. I didn't use a scissor. I didn't cut into the socks. I just use the sock and added some eyes and a nose to it. And now I have a puppet I can use to make contact with children. With this puppet you can start exploring if working with a puppet is something for you. So if my stories and if my videos inspire you, but you don't have a puppet yet, don't invest in an expensive one yet, but start with just a simple sock. With this simple sock you can join me on my Puppet Power Play School, where I can get you into the playing mode, in the playing mood, to explore what you all can do with just a simple sock, and how you connect with it with the children you want to connect with. So if you can't wait to start playing again, to find the child in yourself again, then run to your closet and search for that sock you can create your new best friend with. I see you soon. Bye.